Hello everyone, we are Group2. Our project is about distributed web crawling on AWS EC2. We will introduce the following 4 parts. I will introduce part 1, background. With the rapid development of information technology, massive amounts of information are emerging and making it difficult for people to process and understand it. Web crawling is a common method for people to acquire web information automatically. For this project, we use 2 methods to crawl web. They are local crawling and AWS-based crawling, and we mainly crawl 2 websites, Amazon and Wiki.
The second part is methodology. Firstly, we let you know the local crawler. It has 2 parts, namely Wiki crawler and Amazon crawler. As for the first one, it gives an accurate link of a wiki page. We utilize the crawler to fetch needed information, for example, link, title, related links, and introduction. In this program, we use the BFS. This method is used to cover all the reachable pages. The next one is Amazon crawler. It gives a range of grants and keywords, and we use the crawler to get information like name, price, rating, link, details, and review. In this one, we try WebDriver to launch Google Chrome, and in the process of page jumping, crawl the required product information.
I'm going to introduce the web crawl based on AWS to set up a distributed environment in the cloud. We use AWS EC2 instance. Thus, then URL will be crawled in both machines as both of them are working independently. We want some kind of coordination between the 2 machines. For this, we are going to use Redis in-memory database. In AWS, we can set up Redis cluster using elastic cache servers to persist crawled URLs in database. We choose Cassandra as the database. Cassandra is used for very high write-to-read ratio. On AWS, we can use Cassandra through Amazon Keyspaces servers. And we use FaithfulQuick to support BFS URL retrieval. And we use a blown filter to efficiently look up unvisited URLs. For remote command execution on AWS EC2 instance, I'm using Fabric Python library. It's a wrap over SSH command to execute commands and scripts.
Now let's see the result of the test. This page shows how the crawl contents look like. Similar to the local crawler, the wiki result contains the URLs and the paragraph. The Amazon search crawler returns the item name, price, URL, and the product ratings of the relevant goods. To evaluate the performance of the local and distributed web crawler, we use the ratio of the output size and the time taken to retrieve this output as the matrix. As we can see in the table, the distributed web crawler, although had some overhead, still executed much better than the local crawler. In conclusion, the distributed web crawler has a better performance in crawling speed than the local crawler. Its performance can be even better with the support of Amazon Keyspaces instead of the database on each instance. This is also desired for the real-world distributed applications with greater amounts of hosts. That is all of our presentation. Thanks for your attention.